So when I was doing it on myself, I did feel like from starting to do, when I just followed your hand placements like this on every step.
Yeah.
So I felt like it wasn't just giving energy to the chakra, but around the surrounding areas as well, or some locations like root chakra or heart chakra. I felt it was going in different directions, also
Okay.
for third eye chakra and throat.
Okay.
But at some point, when I was doing at third eye chakra, after that at crown chakra, I didn't know, I didn't know what to do next.
Okay.
Like I know that I didn't have to do anything, so I just placed my hand over there, but I didn't knew like what to do or how to close at the end. So I just said thank you Reiki and
Yeah,
closed
that's
it.
the
But
way. That's the
okay,
yeah.
okay, because whenever I'm doing for me, I'm not getting much sensation or any vibration at the crown or crown chakra specifically. So I'm not sure like how is the energy is coming, energy is going. So that's one thing. And yeah.
So it will take time. At the higher chakras, it will uh, immediately you may not feel anything. It's okay. Many people don't feel anything in the beginning, in the first level. In the second, third level, as you progress, you'll experience more things. So
Okay. Okay. Yeah, but like when I'm doing, I'm not feeling satisfied when I reach at the crown chakra. Something I feel like something is missing once I'm done with the crown chakra. So that's where I'm feeling little in kind of incomplete.
hmm.
Like
So,
I'm not feeling at peace.
huh. So you can do for more time. You can do it for some more time. That's all you can do. You can't force any chakra uh, to it may not require energy also. Sometimes it might not require energy,
Okay.
or you cannot activate chakras forcefully.
Okay.
Can, but it can cause problems. If you force a chakra too much, then it can be a problem. Naturally, whatever is happening is good. Now,
Okay.
how to satisfy yourself? I don't know.
Not like satisfied, but like when I'm at crown, like I just place my hand like this, and the energy flows there, and then just immediately I feel nothing. So I just say thank you Reiki. So that's it. How I do it. So is there any like for the closing, is there any specific observation, any specific thing I'm missing out?
No, as per my knowledge, there's nothing
Okay.
perfectly.
Okay.
Mm.
And also I like I didn't felt any energy going passing by through my legs outwards. Does it how does it feel like?
Sorry,
Like energy going out from the feet.
you felt like that.
No, I didn't feel anything like that.
So,
So when Sir does on Riva, he says he's feeling energy going out of the feet. So what does it mean like? Like I just wanted to understand, nothing like
see, the thing is that uh, we are not used to energy fields and energy, feeling the energy, etc., etc. So our sensitivity awareness is not that much.
okay,
This is the beginning, so you start to learn. So you might feel many things, you might not feel many things.
Okay.
So it takes time. Everything, like a flower also, to blossom, it will take time. Lotus flower does not
Right.
do like this in one day.
Right.
So it takes time. You have to take time. It's okay. What's the hurry?
Yeah, it's okay. Just wanted to know what it
Feel
is
it's
like.
good. If you don't feel it's okay.
Okay.
Whatever is there is there. Whatever is not there is not there.
Okay.
Nothing wrong with anything. Whatever is happening, there is nothing wrong in that. You have to accept the truth of that moment. What is happening with you is not wrong. What is not happening with you, don't worry about that.
Okay.
Accept what is there. And if something is not there, it's okay. It's not there. Or you
Yeah.
can't sense it, it's okay. It will happen sometime whenever it is when we are ready. It will happen.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. And then I tried once on Friday on my husband. So in morning I did my own chakra balancing, and then in evening later I did try on him. So I was bit concerned about the hand placement, but still I just did it the same way I did it on myself. So I did feel different things when I was doing. I felt the pop at some of the chakras locations. I felt a very subtle like pop, like that.
Mhm.
So and then the energy flew up. So I just kept going up. But then again, when I went to his third eye chakra, after that, again I got lost. Like what to do at crown chakra. Like I didn't had to do anything. I just had to observe it. I was not able to concentrate.
When you did for crown chakra.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like at third eye chakra, the energy was very small. Like energy flow was very small. And then I just kept on crown chakra. But I just missed the link.
So the higher chakras energy is very subtle. It's very, very subtle. So even if it's there, you are, if you're not aware, you will not, means if you're not sensitive enough, it's okay. You will not be aware. It's okay. You can keep the hand for some time at least there till you feel uh, you can keep it. After that, it's okay, and it doesn't have to be a very long time also. Higher
Okay.
chakras will not take too much time also. It will take very less time, and the energy will be very subtle energy. So if you can't feel it, it's okay, and you don't have to do it for a long time also. It's okay.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. You're just in the first level, in the second level, third level. The third level, we work on the higher chakras.
Okay.
Not even started working on them.
Okay.
So don't worry if there is nothing there.
Okay. Okay. And then after that, when I asked him, he felt like I felt light. I felt fine. Like nothing different, but he said I felt light and fine. Okay.
Light and fine is different, no?
Yeah, light and fine is different.
What we want. We
Light
don't want.
means, yeah,
We, we don't want him. We don't expect him to say, "Okay, I felt like I was in the heaven." Nothing like
no,
that. I felt
no,
light. I felt fine. I felt relaxed.
yeah, that's what he said. Yeah,
That's it.
yeah. But I felt uh, tired for a while. I'm not sure why, but I felt tired for a while. Like, um, I felt a little lethargic and tired.
Yeah, lethargic or because you are in a deep level, so you will feel sleepy or lethargic. That is because you've gone to in a deep level. If you feel tired, then you can do Reiki energy bath for some time. It might be because you are thinking that you are doing Reiki. Means you are giving your energy. If you think like that, you might feel tired at any point of time.
Okay,
If you are passing the energy of the universe, then you will not feel tired, you will feel energized.
okay,
Normally, when we do Reiki, we feel so energized that we don't like need that much of food also. If we do too much of healing, then I feel even little food is enough because I feel I have so much
okay,
energy.
okay, okay,
Be aware of your attitude. Attitude means that are you thinking that you are doing it or you're thinking that the energy is doing the healing?
okay,
Just be watchful. Nothing wrong with that. If
okay.
just you can after that, if you anytime you feel tired, we can do Reiki bath for some time. That's it. Nothing to worry much about it. Well,
Reiki bath, in the sense, just like thank you and grateful
yes, yes,
and
yeah.
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 Okay, okay. Mm. And then I wanted to ask about know more about the hand placements for myself and my husband as well. Like